Hello everybody and welcome. It's Shotgun Gaming here. Welcome to my new series. It's my Minecraft single player survival episode 1. And I'm gonna make a brand new world. So remember, like and subscribe. That's all you need to do. Like and subscribe. Okay, so we'll just call it Let's Play Guns. And then no mods. Might do a mod one later life. Okay, no cheese, no bonus cheese, generation more type default. Done, create new world. Where am I gonna end up? I wonder. Let's see. Ooh. Pigs, a forest, gravel. I like this already. Okay, so probably gonna cut that out of my video. So just get wood. I was thinking get wood, but yeah, so get wood, make stuff. This is survival 2. I don't know. Gonna end the dragon. I guess so. And yeah, after that, I could do a second season. Yeah, I'll do that actually. It's really laggy. Sorry about that. Okay. Crafting bench. I'll make a wooden pickaxe. I'll be right back. And sorry about that, guys. So I had to quit. Sorry about that. Okay. So we need to find a cave. Looks like I'm jumping high. Okay. So go get some wood. I might do this for 15 minutes. Yeah. I'm uploading a video at the moment, so I'm sorry it's laggy. Now look at that. It's cold. Oh, it's cold. I'm 90. Ooh, it's lag. Sorry about that. So laggy. Drinking water. Hold on. Sounds like I covered the screen for a minute. Okay. Maybe things around a bit. You can tell it's 1.10.10. Okay, this video is only gonna be like 7 minutes because I'm really busy, sorry. Ugh, lag. Okay, so I got 3 coal. Pretty good. I'm gonna get more wood. make a stone axe actually. Make a bunch of sticks. Minus birch. People think I don't like birch. I love birch. It's my favorite wood. Can we hit 5 likes? 5 likes for this first episode series. If we can get 5 likes, I'll continue it. Most likely I am going to continue it. But yeah. Get 5 likes. And hope 1 comment. So I can continue this. And it's going to be 2 seasons. So the first one's going to be Galandria. Gonna get there fast. Gotta get there fast. Gotta get there fast. And in the second season, is just gonna have some fun. I killed the Ender Dragon. Please don't ask what I'm building. I'm just building a wee thing. And stay right. Because I'm a boss. And making houses. Gonna make it fast. Gonna make it fast. Fast, 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 fast. Gonna make it fast. Gonna make it fast. And my sorry about all this lag. Oh gosh. Stretch out. That's strange. I checked my skin last night. Okay, so yeah. That's randomly. This is where I'm gonna end up, so always. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry this was a short video. I need to do heaps of stuff because this thing is uploading. Sorry about it. But I'll see you later, guys. Beep 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 beep.